What's going on? My name is Zach Holcomb with Additive America. If you haven't been paying attention, the CES, the Consumer Electronics Show of 2023, is off and running in Las Vegas. And if you've never been there, I've never been, unfortunately, but if you've never been there or you don't know anything about it, it's one of those really cool times of the year for the techie people where all the companies bring out all these really cool concepts and ideas and things that they're going to be doing in the new year or in the next 5 years, next 10 years. And it's really one of those, it's like a technologist wet dream, basically, to go to CES and see all the really cool stuff. So one of the cool things that I've seen coming from the people that have been going and making content about it are these really cool ideas and features from HP's company HyperX. So if you're not familiar, HP is the company that makes the 3D printers that we generally use a lot for our work here at Additive America. And one of the printers that they have in their multi-jet fusion suite is the 580 machine. The 580 machine, if you don't know, allows you to print PA12 nylon parts in white or in full color. The really cool thing about the full color is you can literally do full color. You can do rainbow tie-dye if you want to on a spring ball. You can literally get really wild and crazy on what you can do with it. So kind of seeing that, we have that technology already here. We have our machine here at Additive America, and then seeing that, seeing companies like HP utilize its capabilities to provide customization options and basically little doodads for people to purchase for their gaming computer setup. So what you're seeing here are a lot of really cool examples of clip-on add-ons to headsets to make them more customizable, to fine-tune everything to your liking. Everyone in their gaming setup has a theme, and a lot of these online gamers and stuff, if you haven't seen, have these really cool studio setups behind them, and they've got lights and they've got all this really cool stuff, and customization within the games is really a huge thing too. So, and that's what you kind of saw with kind of the little market exploding of the trading of digital art and things like that. And basically, if you're familiar with Fortnite skins and the way that that community really dives into ways that they can customize themselves and their character even within the game. So it's kind of one of those really cool things that there's plenty of examples out there where people are willing to spend a little extra money to customize something to their liking, and really making things their own has really become a thing here lately with manufacturing. It's the more that items can be manufactured in low run quantities and things like that, the more that kind of that customization market can really spring up, and it provides more opportunities. That's largely, in my opinion, what you're seeing here with a lot of these customized pieces for HyperX. Basically, it's just HP utilizing their 3D printing technology that they already have developed and using it to create more opportunities for their other businesses by kind of that cross-pollination of concepts and ideas, along with what's available in the market and things that are already out there that can be used to produce the products that the smaller niche markets are looking for. So anywho, I thought it was a really cool thing. It's one of my favorite things I've seen from CES 2023 so far. Obviously, I'm a little biased because, obviously I think the thing that's, a cool project or a cool concept that's utilizing the same software, finding something that's utilizing the same hardware that we have in-house to provide new custom ideas is really neat. So that's one of the things that we do here at Additive America, actually, is we work with companies and individuals that have new concepts and ideas. We help them bring those concepts and ideas to life. So if you're out there and you think you've seen these ideas that we've kind of shown here in this video, and you're like, man, I think that you might want to get into creating customized products or things like that, we would love to work with you. Obviously, it sounds like HP and HyperX are going to be rolling this out slowly over the course of the next few months. So there may be an opportunity for a lot of folks to kind of jump on this and get out ahead of it if they work with the right places and the right people and put things together. So it's an opportunity out there. I'm not going to be the one jumping on it and starting up a whole business that's doing customizable products for gamers. Maybe I should, but if it's something that you're involved with, or if you know someone out there that is involved with creating concepts and ideas like this where short run production would definitely benefit them, let us know. We would love to work with them. You can get a hold of us at 252-549-0247 if you just want to shoot us a text or a call. You can also email me at zac@additiveamerica.com, or you can check out our website, additiveamerica.com, and find us on all the social channels as well. and definitely check us out on LinkedIn and give us a follow there. And if you don't mind, please give us a like and a subscribe on this video here if you are on YouTube. Really appreciate it. Hope you're having a good start to your 2023. And if you know or if you've seen anything really cool at CES 2023 that you think we should check out or take a look at, drop a link to that in the comments below, and we'll be sure to check it out and let you know what we think. Appreciate it. Thanks.